Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inserting a USB flash drive. This is the medium for the reset key. Once inserted, make sure you are signed into the account that will use the disk, because you must generate it from that profile. Now open Control Panel, select User Accounts, then choose Create a Password Reset Disk. Follow the Forgotten Password wizard. It will ask you to select the USB and to type your current password once. Do this step now to create the key file. Once the wizard begins, pick the correct USB device from the list and click Next. You will be prompted for the account password. Type it to authorize creation. The tool writes a small file, often named userkey, PSW, onto the drive. This contains the reset token. After it finishes, click Next and then Finish. Label the USB clearly and store it in a safe place, preferably locked or off-site if sensitive. Make sure not to leave it plugged into the PC after completion. When you forget the password, click Reset Password at the lock screen, insert that USB drive, and follow the reset wizard to set a new password. Make sure the USB contains the reset file and that it was created from the same local account. If it was made from a different user, it won't work. If the wizard reports errors, recheck the drive on another PC and confirm the file exists. If recovery still fails, use a backup or Windows recovery options to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.